Welcome to Mr. Wilson in the family kitchen. I am Wilson. We're not actually really doing a actual recipe. We're just explaining some rules. Rule number 1. Always be careful. A kitchen is a really, really dangerous place. Rule number 2. Make sure nothing else gets in your way when you're trying to get something in a hot place, in a shallow part or deep. Got it? Rule number 3. Always put aloe on a burn. No ice. No ice. No ice. None of that ice. Never, ever put ice on a burn. This is what happened. I got burnt today, and I had to put on aloe. It really hurts. It's gonna hurt for days. Rule number 4. Always try to not think about your burn. It's okay if I show them where I burnt. This is where I burnt myself. On the top of this toaster oven. Right there. Right here. Almost to all my knuckles. Thank you for watching. Just send anything on the internet if you have a question. Oh, wait. Before you go and stop watching, make sure you press subscribe, like on the bottom. Bye.